In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete product/service in QuickBooks. If you've ever tried to remove an item and couldn't find a delete button, don't worry, that's by design. In QuickBooks Online, deleting a product or service is done by making it inactive. That hides it from your active lists while keeping past transactions and reporting intact. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company. Once your dashboard loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which opens your settings and tools. Click that icon, then in the list section, choose products and services. This takes you to the full catalog of items your company uses on sales forms and purchase forms. On this page, find the product or service you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, use the search box to type the name or SKU, or sort the columns to bring it into view. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the exact item you intend to remove is a good habit, especially if you have similar names or variants. When you've located the right line, move to the action column on that row. Click the small arrow or the drop-down next to Edit to open more options. From the menu, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will immediately prompt you with a confirmation message that reads something like, "Make this item/variance inactive." This is your final checkpoint, and it's just reminding you that the item will no longer appear in new transactions or in the active list. To proceed, click Make Inactive on the confirmation. That's it. The item has now been removed from your active products and services list. Any historical transactions that used it remain unchanged for accurate records, but you won't accidentally add it to new invoices, sales receipts, or bills. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If the item has variants, the confirmation message may reference those and QuickBooks will inactivate them along with the main item. If QuickBooks notifies you that the item is currently used on a bundle or a recurring template, you'll need to clear those references before you can make it inactive. And if you ever need the item again, you can return to this page, choose to show inactive items, and reactivate it without having to recreate details like price, income account, or SKU. You've now cleaned up your catalog and kept your books consistent, all in a few clicks.